transactions to resell it at the P2P rate, and you guys know how much P2P rate is now. So for we to do this, I'll just head over to my Binance account. There's my Binance app. I'll just head over to my Binance app. You can see I have some little amount of money that is here from my previous interaction. So we'll just go to the P2P so that we'll see how much Naira is selling right now at. Okay, you can see now dollar is selling at 700. All right, so dollar is selling at 700. So for a dollar now, it's selling at 700. And I think this platform we are going to be using today will buy dollar out at a cheaper rate than this. So it's no brainer. Once you buy it out at a cheaper rate, you can go ahead and sell it at a higher price. Now I'll be showing you guys how to flip it and sell it, but to do that you guys need to join my community. I have a Telegram community where I guide people on how to trade cryptocurrency and teach them how to avoid certain mistakes that could make your account to be limited or to be suspended. So join us and learn for free. We are not charging you any money. Okay, so every knowledge we are giving you is absolutely free. If anyone try to charge you for anything or ask you to pay money for anything, please know that those people are scammers and they are not in any way affiliated to us. All right, so to do that, I'll head over to my account and I'll just transfer. I want to, okay, let me just transfer like 1,300. All right, so what I'm doing right now, I'm transferring some of my USDT, okay, to the P2P where I'm going to sell it. So I'm trying 1,300 USDT. So I will just go over to P2P right now and check if that's have arrived. And currently at the current price of this one at 700, so 700 times 1.3. So we're going to be doing transaction of 910,000 naira. So we'll just go over it right now. So I'm just okay. So please pardon me if. All right, so I'm just going to filter it right now and I'm going to put it by bank transfer because I want bank transfer to my Naira account, and I'm just going to put like 900,000. All right, so that okay, so let me just see. All right, so based on the criteria I've put in right now, so I'm going to be selling at 699, almost 700. So it's okay by me, and I'll just take this guy, and yeah, I will get back to you guys once I place the trade. I'm just going to look at some of the things. So I'm going to pause this video and I'll resume when I have placed the trade. So let me just, okay, let's just go through it. So these are his terms. They add this managed by my this and that. So payouts are made instantly through a converted transfer. I don't like when there's too much of talk and times. I just want to say my this thing. So I'll just look for somebody else. Okay, let's say maybe I'm picking this guy. I hope he's not speaking too much English. All right, so okay, his times are as brief as I want. So I'm just going to pause this now and I'm just going to select my payment option, and I will go on with that. So I'll just pause it and I'll resume back. All right, so I've placed the trade and I'm just going to wait for the payment to be made. Now, you know, payments sometimes can take quite a little bit of time. So not to keep you guys waiting for a very long time, I'm just going to pause this, and the next time I'm going to resume the video will just be when the payments have already arrived. So I'm just going to wait and I will pause it. And I'll come back once the payments have been made, and we can proceed from there to buying the dollars from the platform I do buy dollars from. All right, so I'm just going to pause it now. All right, so as you guys can see, the buyer have already marked the account, the trade that he has paid. So I'm going to confirm if the payments have been made and if I've received transfer into my Naira bank account. And once that is done, I'll proceed to release the crypto to them, and then we can proceed to we making our deposit. So, okay, from what I can see from my back end here on my banking app, I have received, and you can see the deposit just coming. I have received it. So I've received the actual payment. I'm just gonna confirm this right now. But before I do that, as a way of this, and I'm gonna just transfer my money. I'm gonna transfer it before I release it to the person, because sometimes these people will try to play smart by placing a reverse from their bank. So you need to be smart also. So I'm gonna transfer my money back into another of my accounts, and I'm just going to transfer a total of 900. Okay, so I'm just gonna, all right, so I'm just gonna sorry trying to do this transaction. All right, so let me see, making the transaction right now, and yeah, transaction completed. All right, so I'm going now to confirm this payment, and I'm going to approve. I have received the correct amount. Okay, so I'll and I'm just gonna do the KYC to get them. All right, so the KYC, just gonna type in, where is that? Okay, verification 02024677. All right, so sorry guys, because this is live demonstration. So I have released that, and you can see we have done this. So, and I'll just come back when it's time for me to make the purchase, the platform I'm going to buy the dollar. All right, guys. So after receiving our payment from the P2P guys, so it's now time for us to go ahead and just make the bank transfer so we can buy the dollar. That's gonna be, all right. So continue. Click on continue at cheaper rates. I don't know the rate I'm gonna get it right now, but let me see. So I'm willing to buy $2,200. So now this will enable us to make transfer in Naira. So let me see how much that's gonna be. All right, so right now we are going to be paying 925,400 something Naira. So I'm gonna make transfer to the account, because first I will be required to verify that I'm actually in Nigeria, which is through my bank verification number. So I'm just going to put in this, and I'll pause this video. After putting in this, we'll start from there. Okay, so let me pause this. All right, so as you guys can see, I've been given an account number, Wema Bank. All right, so I'll be given the account number with Wema Bank for me to make the transfer. I'm just going to make that transfer right now from my banking app on my second phone, so that I can get this done. It just took quite some few minutes, and the deposits have come in, so you can see the total what we bought. We paid the total of thousand naira and we got $2,200. And if you check at the top there, you will see our balance now is worth $2,200. So guys, the next time I'll be making video on how to withdraw it and how to start and sell it on the P2P. Just trying to show you guys this so you guys can see and know that what we are saying here is real. All right, so if you look here, you can see the date. The date here is just today being the 31st. Okay, so it's recent. It's today, I mean. All right, so thank you guys and have a wonderful day. So for those of you who are interested in this, join my community, my Telegram community. Please understand that my Telegram community is a crypto community, is a place you come and you learn about cryptocurrency, everything that has to do with cryptocurrency. You get signals to trade cryptocurrency free of charge. Nobody charges for everything, anything. Everything I do on my platform is absolutely free. All right. So if anybody is trying to impersonate me and asking you guys to pay him money for anything, please, I am not involved with that. Okay. Even this training they're going to get is still free. Everything I do on my platform is free. And I hope you guys use this and be able to make profit with it and be able to do something good for yourself. Until then, God bless you guys. See you guys on my channel and on my group as we grow together and build one another together. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day. So, as you can see clearly that the transaction went through. So we spent the total amount of 925,408. So if we divide it by the total amount of dollar we got from this transaction, which is 2,200, that will tell us how much we bought dollar. We bought $1 for naira, so we are spending 420 naira. Let's just say 421 naira to buy $1. So this is pretty cheap. Now, if you look at this, also, we sold a total of 1,300 USDT. And now, if you look at this, I mean, this is what we now got. We got 2,200. Got $2,200, and if you minus that 1,300 yes, we sold, we made a net profit right now of $900, and this is what you do and you make money from this. I hope this is clear to you guys. All right, so this is just the mathematics just to show you guys how to convert it to know how much you are buying your own dollar. Now, this rate will fluctuate, but one thing I have seen is that it moved within the range of 419. So I've bought at 419. So, and I've also bought at 425, and a friend of mine have also bought at 427. So it's moved within this range. But whichever, even though it's at 450, it's still way cheaper than what we buy at the black market. Okay, so thank you guys and have a wonderful day.